Okay, good morning mga ka-farm boys. It's getting cold out here in our place. So, for today's video, we'll be showing a little glimpse of how we are harvesting our carrots. So, in this video, we'll be cutting our carrot leaves. Since the carrot leaves are tall and it is covering our carrots, we'll have to cut it first so that we can easily see the carrot head and we can uproot it easily. So using a grass cutter, we should check our surrounding first, see if no one is around us, no one is near us before starting to avoid accident. So we'll be cutting the carrot leaves, then we will be uprooting it one by one. A tractor will plow it to loosen the soil. So either we will be cutting the carrot leaves first before the tractor will plow it, or the tractor will plow it, then we will cut the leaves. Either way. So after cutting that, we will be pulling our carrot one by one. So work carefully and safely. So it's done. Farm boy number 1. Let's go.